Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I say big welcome to you. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching my tutorials today. And today we'll be going into a very detailed talk through about what the hell is makeup. Makeup comprises of a wide range of a lot of things. So I was doing this this discussion, kind of a chat with my friends, and they were like telling me that what I do is not makeup, that it is makeover. And I kept thinking, I kept asking myself, what is the difference between a makeup and a makeover? But that's a topic for another day. So for today, we'll be doing something on makeup. What the hell is makeup, sweethearts? What the hell is makeup? Let me know in the comment box below if you have anything, any contribution to say about what the hell makeup is. And if you would like to see a video of me comparing makeup and makeover to know if there's any difference or if it's similar or if it has comparisons on it, do let me know in the comment box down below. And I know makeup to be firstly, what I'm doing right now is I'm wiping my face of every dirt. So for the fact that you have oily skin, be you oily, be you dry, be you sensitive, normal, combination skin, whatever skin type you have, you need to wipe your face, sweethearts. You need to, because most times we have makeup, we talk about a total whole new look. That it has to be fine, it has to be pretty, you have to look your best, you know. That's like a total new you, a total new person. By the way, I don't even know what I'm wearing, but right. So if you ask me, makeup is an art. Art is like an expression, you get. Art is an expression of our thoughts, of emotions, of desires. Makeup being an art, this is where you express your emotion, your thoughts. Like I have a video on my channel which I'll be linking up here about the Day of the Dead makeup. I've seen a lot of the Day of the Dead, the Day of the Skull, the day blah blah blah, but my own Day of the Dead cannot be the same with your own Day of the Dead. That's why so many people just get so mixed up, so junked up, like, and that person's thoughts cannot be the same. Your expression or the way you are expressing it, your emotions in that video or in that makeup cannot be the same. So the hell what makeup is, makeup as an art is all about your emotion, your expression, and your desires. When you apply makeup on your face, we have like you start with your moisturizer, just like I'm doing right now. You start with your moisturizer. We have your moisturizer, your what is it called, your primer. You have then your foundation. So many type of stuff that you can have to apply on your face. And so when we're talking about this, we are all talking about skincare. Now, if you're a makeup artist and you don't know a thing about skincare, sweetheart, you're missing out. Okay, I'm moisturizing my lips. Okay, this the Spring Beauty Globe Lip Balm, like a natural makeup. I found out that they have a lot. I mean, when I say a lot, they have a lot of products on their face, and I keep wondering, like, I thought they said natural. Am I the only one who's hearing wrongly? They say a natural makeup face. I don't get it. But they have like two moisturizers. Most times they have serum added to it. They have like for starting around their eye bags. They have something with the skincare routine, like the face masks. They have something so many different things, and when they're done with it, they say it is natural makeup. Damn. I mean, definition of what makeup is. Now from Webster Dictionary, I have something written down right here, so I'm going to just read it out. So they said makeup is the way in which the parts or ingredients of something are put together. In other words, a composition. So I have another definition right here. What did Wikipedia? Let us say Mickey. What did Wikipedia say about makeup? Wikipedia said makeup as of cosmetics, which comprises of a wide range of products that are used to care for the face and body, or to enhance or change the appearance of the face or body. The product includes skincare, personal care, cosmetics, and fragrance. I've seen Dope 211 turn herself from, was she a very beautiful lady that she is, to Scar, Lion King, and she has turned herself to Moana. She has turned herself to Lulu, and so many different, even to a brat. Makeup is something that you just want the attraction of people. You just want something to show them that it is an extraordinary. Over here in Nigeria, when it's an extraordinary day, like an occasion, like your birthday, your wedding day, child education, and so many other occasions over here in Nigeria, we do makeup. Like if there's if there's a day I woke up very beautifully, smiley, I do makeup. But when I'm not so ha on it, I just go out looking like this. Okay, even when you have your products, like your skincare products, you get a moisturizer, an SPF, a lightening or exfoliating cream, or anytime you apply it on your skin and your skin starts glowing, looking beautiful, looking attractive, you are doing makeup. So don't think that makeup is everything or all about the face. Makeup comprises of your whole body. I someone, a guy saying that women are artificial, they are all about makeup. I don't get it. Men do makeup as well, but they don't really know. When you apply something like just a white powder to your face, that's makeup. When you have a lotion that you're having on your skin, and you know that some parts of your skin aren't uniform with the other areas, and you decided to actually do something about it, you are actually going into makeup without you knowing it, sweetheart. I said for this particular foundation, you have to go in like 2 to 3 times just to get your face what it needs. I've been using this foundation for some time, even though I reviewed about it like last month or this month, I think. But I've been using this foundation. It is quite natural. It's a natural way. It's quite natural, but it says everlasting. Really? Everlasting? What the hell is everlasting? Though it does sink in very easily, yes, it does dry very easily, but it's nothing like being everlasting. It is not everlasting. You guys should just clean that shit up there. It is not everlasting, period. Go over my concealer, and what I want to use for today's tutorial is Sleek Mineral Formulation Pro Concealer. I've used this once, twice in my video. It's not bad. Actually gives some coverage, medium coverage, but it's very oily. It is good for anybody that wants to achieve a high shine on your makeup, or for a dry skin. But for oily skin, like myself, it's not good, but I do use it. I like the way it matches up with this. This foundation is super lightweight and no coverage, so this concealer just complements it. Like just say supplements. It just helps it, like concealing my eye bag, you know. You get what I mean? So I'm going to use Fit Me Maybelline New York. This is luminous and smooth. This is in the shade 360, and I'm going to use it for my contouring because I like that contour. We're going to talk about who is a makeup artist. A makeup artist is somebody who can use the talent of makeup, the talent he or she have learned about makeup, to do makeup on people. Somebody who can actually change the appearance of people, thereby making them attractive. Not somebody who is gonna make you look more uglier, but somebody who is going to make you much more pretty, attractive. That person is a makeup artist. So makeup is a therapy. Okay, you cannot go ahead saying this is just the way the makeup should be done. Hell no. I've seen someone starting makeup by contouring first, moisturizer, priming, then started with contour before foundation, then did a powder contour later, and it really did make the person's face to look way more sculpted. Right now is to go over with my Sacha buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to bake. So the art of baking is mostly for us that has oily skin or combination skin. Back to the topic of what makeup really is. Makeup has different categories. It has the beginners category, it has the star category, it has the professional category. So when you are a professional makeup artist, that is when you can be singing, you can be washing your clothes while you make up. Don't mind, I'm just joking. So the star stage, this is the stage where you get to gather experience. This is the stage where you get to get a lot of things. This is the stage where you need to make yourself a proud makeup artist. So also in the beginners stage, the beginners category, this is where everything you do, you're just still tensed up. So you just cannot do it very right, but you're just trying your best to do it. So a star stage means that you've actually learned makeup and you can do makeup, but you have no much experience about it. So I'm just going to shut up and do my eyebrows. So I'm done with my eyebrows, so I'm free to talk, you know. I'm not going to start from down. I'm going in with just one color, so I'm just going to start from down here. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off my setting powder just to get that area to look very smooth, because it has actually baked for such a long time. So I want a very and a really dark contour, so I'm going to take from my shadow, I'm going to take this very dark shade. So let's go deeper. Okay, in the history, makeup originated from the ancient Egypt in the year 1805. According to my research, my lazy research, the very first person that I've ever used makeup is Cleopatra. We all know her. She used lipstick that got its hue from grounded. To contour my nose, and I'll be using this shade because it's a lighter brown. The process that I talked about that makeup has that you cannot do without is when it comes to some applications like this, the glitter. I'm going to be using these two glitter, the pink and the silver, white, whatever. If you're going to apply your glitter, you need to apply first before doing your liner. There are some times that when you're applying glitter, you don't want it to touch your lashes, but it's gonna touch it. One thing I call glitter is a poke noser. I'm going to go right in and apply my glitter, and I'm just going to apply this right in the middle. So you take this step by step, don't just go in immediately. Back to history, guys. Okay, you don't expect there to be only Cleopatra using makeup. Other women those days used clay mixed with water to color their lips. Okay, so we have the makeup market, and this was developed in the year 1910 by Elizabeth Arden, Helena Robeston, and Max Factor. These people gave rise to firms that Revlon later joined, and just after the just before the World War II, and Estee Lauder joined right after World War II. So this feels like news, right? But this is history, guys. This is my lazy research. If I go over my lashes, let me just wipe this off, and at the same time wipe some of the glitters that had dropped off here. So it's time to wipe the lip balm off because I applied this because of the fact that my lips were so dry. And I want a matte lipstick, so I'm just going to wipe it off. So I'm going to apply my lashes, and as you can see, you just have to drop that in the middle, then touch the outer corner and the inner corner real tight, and you're done. So I'm going to make use of these two lipstick. I'm going to make use of the dark brown from BB Beauty and the other one from Chic. I'll be mixing these two shades up, just trying to show you guys so you can achieve, maybe you don't have your highlighter, you can make use of two shimmer golden eyeshadow or any golden eyeshadow, and you'll get a very shiny and very beautiful something. This is just like an improvised makeup. So since I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using Phoera setting spray and fix. And after that, I'm done. We've come to the end of this tutorial, and I'm sure you were able to grab one or two things about makeup, and I hope this look was good, and also that you learned new technique from this. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial today. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to give the video a like, and don't forget to share my video. So I'm going to go ahead and just wear my wig, and I'm going to show you.